Hey guys, Zombie here. Wow, I can't tell you how happy I am to be here. Equinox Ride 2020 is finally here. It's been in the planning for over a year now. We were actually meant to do the ride in March this year, but obviously the pandemic came along and spoilt it all for us. We had another try in the middle of the year, but that got obviously cancelled as well because of where we were. But here we are with try number 2. We're all here. It's finally going to happen. Nothing's going to stop us now. So really looking forward to it. We've got about 30 riders, but obviously what we've had to do to fit in with all the regulations is we formed bubbles of 6 people. So we're keeping to all the rules, just in case anybody's worried about that. Anyway, so all the bikes are here. So the plan is tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock, we'll get up bright and early, have some breakfast, watch the sunset, and then head out at about 7 o'clock. Head out and visit a couple of Indian dealers along the way, and then get to Aberystwyth hopefully by sort of 7 o'clock. So it's a long day in the saddle, but it should be good. We've got a couple of barbecues and things where people are looking after us, so that's fantastic. And yeah, we'll see if we've made it, and hopefully I'll be able to bring you guys some extra good footage from along the way, if the weather plays its part, but we'll have to see. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video, and see you soon. Stay safe.
First of all, get them off, Geoff, come on. Keep on. First of all, thank you to every single one of you for coming along to take part in this. It all started as a bit of an idea, and it snowballed. And obviously I was gutted we couldn't do this in March. Sorry about that, out of my control. But I'm really, really pleased we're all here this evening. So thank you all of you for being part of this. And there's such a lot of lovely, lovely people in this room. I'm really quite touched how all of you have put your faith in me and taken part in this, so thank you. The whole objective of this is to see the sun rise tomorrow morning here, and to see the sun set in Aberystwyth tomorrow evening. Sunrise is at 6:38. We'll be having breakfast in here at between 6:30 and 7:15. So we'll have time to eat while watching the sunrise.
Morning, everyone. Morning. Everyone ready for today?
Yes.
Frank, stop lying, please.
Oh, you said ready.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm feeling me.
Morning, everybody.
Tonight I'm feeling me. Gonna make an ugly scene. I'm feeling me. I'm feeling me. Tonight I'm gonna pick myself a fight. If some deserving dirtbag, black eye, and if he swings at me.
And we're finally off. So just heading to the beach to get some group photos by the ocean. And yeah, I must be honest, it's I'm glad that it's here. It's going to be a long day, but should be good. There's everyone now. As you can see, there's a good few bikers. Just take a little bit of a view. Beautiful.
I'm gonna drink like Daddy done.
Looking forward to this. Must say the people have been really nice around here. Everyone's always offering to help take photos and that. It's nice. No stereotyping. I must say, even though it's 7:30 in the morning, It's pretty warm out for the UK anyway. Looking at 18 degrees, but it feels like 20 something. I could actually ride without a jacket right now. The only reason why I'm not is because I don't have any more storage space. Yeah, just coming into the first stop for the day at Crazy Horse Bury St Edmunds. It's been quite a nice ride in actually. We've just hit the Elan Valley in Wales, and it's pretty stunning. I've not been around this particular road before. It's definitely a bit of a treat. So this is a bit of a detour off the route that we were planning, but definitely glad that we decided to come this way. As you can see, fantastic. Also been very lucky with the rain. I just hope I'm not going to jinx us now, but we've pretty much missed all of the rain today, which was being expected. May still come, but it's been absolutely gorgeous. The whole day has been sort of 25 to 30 degrees. It's a bit cooler now in Wales. It's 17 degrees from what I can see. But look at that. It's just absolutely stunning. Stunning. I'm not sure if this is a river or a lake. Just from the look on the map, it looks more like a river, but quite a big one that winds through, well, the valley, the Elan Valley. So if you guys are ever in this area, make sure you come and check this out. It's definitely well worth looking at it. And as I said it, I did jinx myself because the rain started, but to be fair, it's typical for when you ride through a valley like this. You do get a bit of rain, so it's not unusual. So we're in the final stages of the ride as well, 31 miles to the hotel. So we arriving a little bit earlier, so we'll go and check in and everything, and then we'll head to the beach to go and watch the sunset, which I think, wow, it's a bit fast, which I think is about 7:15 tonight. Get out of third gear. Yeah, you definitely don't want to come around here if you're in a hurry. We're about 2 miles now from our end destination, so that's been a pretty good ride. 350, 360 miles for the day, I think, roundabout. It's been awesome.
Made it.
Only 6 months late.
I can honestly say, in 40 years of riding, I have never had such a great day's riding as this. And to go from coast to coast, sunrise to sunset, it was epic. Cheers.